To create a flyer, open Canva and click on templates. Type in flyer inside the search box and press enter. Here you will have different templates to choose from. You can also start with the blank page right here. Under design, click on templates and type in the topic you want to create the flyer about inside the search box. I'm gonna type in summer for a summer party. Select the one you like the most and then you can adjust it. If you, for example, select the curved text right here and you want to have a straight text, remove the curve. You can do it here inside the effects. Let's also remove the curve from the other text. If we select all the text together, we can format it by changing the font, the size or color. Let's change the color here by using the color picker to have the same text color as the color here in the bottom. To change the background color, just click anywhere here in the background without selecting an element and change the background color. You can also choose or create your own gradient background. Just select gradient right here and select the style you want to have. Click inside the text elements and change it, adjust it as you need it. To add more elements or graphics, just click on elements and under graphics right here, click on see all and type in the topic you want to have inside the search box. Click on enter and find a great graphic. Just click on it, resize it and find a great position and then click on share, download, select the file type PNG and click on download again. Open your flyer and here you are. Thank you for watching and see you next time.